Front side, my department friend. All are my department friend. We attend our winter festival. Inshallah, they achieve in future.
Yes.
Brightly future they build up. All the loving, hungry person gather to eat. Also, elder brother Javed. In 24 uprising, our lovely country Bangladesh, those people lost their life. They in this uprising grown our famous ma'am teach us to meaningful line. Alterly is change, the terrible beauty is born.
What a statement
We
coming out from
that
the
we
poet.
receive this word. I show the word freedom. Thank you, Abu Sayyid. You are a genius man. We visit our friends.